at those nifty hand controls that are seriously a couple of rods bolted to the gas pedals.
Temporaries.
They're temporaries he's had for 20 years.
They're temporaries for 22 years.
Yeah. So finally we're getting a real lift and real hand controls. Are you excited, honey?
Yeah. All right, bye. See you later.
That's my cue to cut the camera.
Sing out your wins and trials like a melody. Ride the storms with your head held high. We only breathe till the day we die. Bring on the fire, bring on the rain. Nothing can take you down.
Look at those nifty hand controls. He has them rigged up pretty good there.
Yeah, I'll take the off-grade in, give a little bit of brake. Brake. A little bit of brake, a little bit of brake, a little more brake, a little more brake!
Stop it.
Look left. Clear. Little herky-jerky on the throttle there, buddy. And now we're going to wait for the light to change green.
You could be in cray-cray. Oh, there it is, green.
Green.
Green means go.
Left turn.
You don't have to
I will narrate the
entire drive. Okay.
Nice safe turn across oncoming traffic. Slow into the drive.
Oh
Boop,
my
boop.
goodness. Boop boop, you're even gonna do that?
Boop, boop. Uh-oh, there's a car.
Oops.
Whoa!
Whoa, stop.
Whoa, danger, Will
Wait a
Robinson. Danger. Fuck in front of me, jackass.
That's not supposed to be. You're not supposed to be.
That guy was just he did it on purpose. I know he did. Personal attack on me.
He probably hates the disabled. I'm just kidding.
He does.
Right.
I can tell from his actions. We are. Oh, okay.
Pull for gas, push for brake. brake pedals behind the keychain. And they're still there. Nothing's attached to them. Right there's the hand control. Right where your Derek's fingers are. How does it work, honey? That is not funny.
It kinda is. It kinda is.
No, it isn't.
Push the brakes to the dashboard to stop. Push the handle to the dashboard for brakes. Handle down for throttle. Pretty ingenious.
So wait, pushing in is brakes and pulling out?
Pushing forward. Brake. Straight down. Gas.
Ah, okay. But anybody can still drive it, right?
Yep. You can play with the hand controls if you want, or you can just put your feet on the pedals because nothing's obstructed.
Not like your other hand controls that are attached to the pedals where
Pedal themselves.
people can't drive it.
Normal people can.
No, you have to take them off.
No, normal people can. They can all the time.
No, the toes won't fit.
You are just different.
Different.
All alone, let me do your heart, let me do your soul. And I'm coming off this long and winding road. I'm on my way.